Here we have the 2017 Harley-Davidson Road King Special, custom black. Wonder who's going to be cruising around on that. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to It Figures. Today, whoo, boy, I'm hyped today. We got a good one today. You see the bike already. It's the Harley-Davidson 2017 Road King Special, custom, black, all black. So you know it's got to be somebody gangster riding this boy. So let me tell you, it's a Marvel Legend. I'll give you a hint. It's a Marvel Legend. But I usually don't care for the bikes that come in the Marvel Legends packs, like when they have like Black Widow, Wolverine, all those type of people, Punisher. Punisher's bike is kind of cold, but most of the time the bikes look cheap, or they just throw a quick little bike together and it's not really much detail, just a little extra hunk of plastic in the package to say that they gave you a 2-pack or gave you a big accessory. So I don't really care for the Marvel Legends bikes. So I usually, with all the bike characters, like the folks I just named, the Wolverines and all those cats, I usually will get on Amazon or somewhere and order a scale model bike. For the Marvel Legends, the 1/12 scale motorcycles usually work. So that's what I usually get for them. That's what this is, and they just have way more detail because they're model motorcycles. That's the point, for them to be detailed. And to me, it just makes for a better look with your Marvel Legend on one of these bad boys instead of the little cheap ones that they come with. So with that being said, I bought this bike for, ta-da, Ghost Rider Johnny Blaze. So we're gonna be checking this guy out today. I'm super duper hyped. I got him from Hasbro Pulse. Yes, sir. And we about to crack this bad boy open right now. It says he comes with a flame chain, Ghost Rider, Marvel Comics. And it's on a card. I don't know if is this a retro card? I guess. It looks kind of different from the other retro cards, but we'll call it a retro card. You see what he comes with on the back? Head swap, flaming effects, alternate hands, and a whip, a chain whip. Wielding supernatural abilities and weapons from the back of his flaming motorcycle, Ghost Rider roams the mortal world as the spirit of vengeance. So there's that. And we're just gonna cut right into this. Yo. Dopeness. Chain looks good. Metallic silver paint. I'm bringing into the fire effect. That looks awesome. Flaming effects for his wrist. That's cool. alternate bony hands with the flame on them. It's like translucent at the base, and then you have those bone fingers. That looks really good. That's a nice effect. Then for the last accessory, we have the flaming Johnny Blaze head. It's always nice to get an extra head portrait there. Not bad at all. The Spirit of Vengeance. Looking pretty sharp. I must say, straight out the box, he looks good. Chain looks good. Leather jacket looks good. Pants, boots. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Double jointed knees, ankle pivot, rocker rotation, upper thigh cut, double jointed elbows, bicep cut, deep ab crunch. Head looks way up and way down. One of my favorite parts, jaw is articulated. Look at that. Stop playing with me. Awesome feature. 360-degree rotation on the head. Shoulders only go back that much. Wrist rotation, hinge. And waist rotation. Leg goes out that far, back that far. This guy is pretty flexible. I like it. Paint apps look great. This is a nice looking figure. Little stiff, but looks good. Let's put him on the turntable. Let you get a look at him. So yeah, like I said, I ordered this off of Hasbro Pulse. I have been wanting them because I don't have a Ghost Rider at all. This is my very first Ghost Rider in my collection. Now I have one, and I'm happy because the older ones were high on the aftermarket, so I was really trying to wait it out for another one to be released. So when this retro carded Ghost Rider came out, I was happy. Only thing that was disappointing or negative about it is it didn't come with a bike. So we remedied that by getting this lovely Harley-Davidson 2017 Road King. And so right now we're just gonna play with our toys and see what we could do. I think this is a dope look. That's a good look, man. I think it comes out much better when you get a real model bike. Super cool. Tell me what you think. And if you have any bike suggestions, I like to get bikes and put some of my characters on bikes. I think it just makes for a cooler look on your shelf, just to spice things up. It's like seasoning for your shelf. Add some motorcycles. So, like I said, I think this guy's a 10 out of 10. He's pretty articulated, a little stiff, but that's just fresh out of the package type stuff. That's no big deal. But it looks really good. Paint looks good. This costume is phenomenal. I like the stripes on the jacket. The boots look authentic. They look like real boots. No gripes with the pants. The head sculpt is amazing. And the bike just sets it off to me. And just for the record, just in case you're just tuning in or whatever, the bike is not included. I bought the bike separately on Amazon. It's a Maisto, I believe that's the company, Maisto, or Maisto maybe. I really don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a Harley-Davidson 2017 Road King Special, custom black. Did not come with the Ghost Rider Marvel Legends retro carded figure. They are separate toys that I bought because I knew that it would look cool together. So let's switch heads and hands. Give you a different look. There he is with the Johnny Blaze head transforming. He's not full ghost mode yet. And that is with the gloved hands as well. So that is the most human form you can get of him. But there you go. That's pretty cool. Not a bad head sculpt at all. Actually, very cool. Unfortunately, I'm not going to display them like this, but it doesn't look bad if you wanted to. If I had two of them, I would. You know, one of each. But I only have one, so we got to go with that traditional Ghost Rider head. A little Saturday Night Fever right there. Trying to stay alive. I think it's too late for him though. And here's a comparison against some other skull heads. We have over here Marvel Legends Sentry, and we have Marvel Legends Red Skull. So you can see how he measures up against some other skull heads and another skull hothead like himself. Tell me what you think of this combo. Did I nail it or no? Holler back in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, get the notification bell hit so that you can see our new-ish. Peace out.